Hello everybody, it's your boy Drawn Disciple, and I just wanted to show you guys how to do 1-point perspective. So with 1-point perspective, you have a point on a horizon line in your picture, and then there's lines that go out from that, and that just makes the illusion that the artwork is going inwards into the page. Okay, now I'll show you how to draw 1-point and 2-point perspective. Okay, now let's start with 1-point perspective. So first off, we draw a dot. Then we draw a line through that dot as your horizon line. Then draw two lines protruding from that dot. Now first off, this can be a road going into the horizon. And then you can also make buildings with 1-point perspective, which then you draw lines that protrude upwards from those the sides of those lines. As long as all your lines connect to that point or to the two lines, then it will create the illusion of 1-point perspective. And so yeah, then you're pretty much done. So now let's start on 2-point perspective. So first off, with 2-point perspective, you have to draw two dots side by side. Okay, with 2-point perspective, now you do the same thing as in 1-point perspective, except that you cross the two lines. And so this can create an illusion of a corner of a sidewalk or the corner of a building. I'm going to do like a corner of a building. And then there you go. That's usually the only like types of perspectives I use is 1-point and 2-point, because you can draw the corners of buildings, or with 1-point perspective you can draw like just stuff going into like a horizon line, which is usually what I use. And there is 3-point perspective, but I've just never really used it, and it's really kind of complicated to me, so I would rather just not use it. But that doesn't mean that you can't learn 3-point perspective. Like, there's probably many videos out there of how to learn that, but like that's just another thing in your toolkit when you draw. But yeah, so these are 1-point and 2-point perspective. So yeah, that's pretty much 1-point and 2-point perspective in a sense, to be able to create stuff like this where you have 1-point perspective and then it's like it's all going inside. But yeah, and so yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and hope you guys learned how to do 1-point and 2-point perspective. Okay, thank you.